We get it from my mama. We get it from my mama. We get it from my mama. We get it from my mama.
Yeah. I got melanin. Oh yeah. I got melanin. You mad? We got melanin. Melanin. I got melanin. Oh yeah. I got melanin. You mad? We got melanin. Melanin. And we got some fat ass too.
Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jasmine, aka Educated Natural. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that bell button and that subscribe button so that whenever I post a new video, you guys will be the first people to know. Today I would like to give you 5 tips on how to maintain your protective style, whether it's braids or faux locks. I'm going to teach you how to maintain it and so that you can wear it longer. First tip is use a satin bonnet at night so that your hair can be protected from the cotton on your pillowcase, and it's gonna maintain your faux locks and your braids, your protective style, just as if it was your own hair. You know, you never want to go to bed with your hair out, so it's better for you to cover it with a satin pillowcase, a satin bonnet, or use a satin pillowcase. Second tip, do not scratch your scalp. I know that it's not really easy not to do it, but when you scratch your scalp, you actually irritate your scalp, and sometimes you can pull on the hair, on the extensions, then you're gonna have frizz and whatnot, so you wanna stay away from that. If you want to scratch so bad, use the tip of your fingers instead of using your nails. It's way more gentle on your scalp than your nails. Third tip, you need to hydrate your roots, because yes, underneath your protective style you need to protect your hair, and to maintain it you need to moisturize it I'd say every 2 to 3 days would be ideal. So you can use either water or aloe vera juice, like your favorite spray conditioner, to hydrate your hair, and don't forget to use some kind of oil after that in order to seal in the moisture in your hair. Number 4, do not manipulate your hair too much, because when you do that it creates some frizz and then your hair looks like it's a month old and you only did them last week, you know. Try to keep the same hairstyle throughout the whole day so that you don't have your fingers all up in your hair all the time. And number 5, every 2 to 3 days you should finger detangle your hair gently. I say finger detangle because sometimes it doesn't really happen with braids, but when it's faux locks, sometimes the hair can get tangled together, so you need to just run your fingers through the hair a little bit and gently like that, just to separate the hair so that they don't get tangled. You see, like that? So just detangle gently and everything will be fine. Your hair will look super nice. You don't want to have like a bird's nest on your head, you know? Alright, so this is it. These were my 5 tips to preserve your protective style for as long as you can. So if you guys like this video, please give me a few thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see next in my next video, and yeah, I don't know what to say anymore. Let me just end this video right here. So I'll see you guys. Bye.
Shake it, shake, we get it from my mama. Shake it, shake, we get it from my mama. We get it from my mama.
You mad? You mad? You mad? You mad?
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake. We get it from my mama. Shake.